Welcome to the 2025-2026 school year. I'm Jim Dean, Executive Director of the AIA, and on behalf of the entire AIA team, it is our pleasure to kick off this high school athletic season and get things rolling. As we look forward to this outstanding school year, we are excited about accomplishing two major goals. The first is serving our member schools and making sure that we reach out and meet all of your needs. The second goal is to make sure that we look for ways to elevate opportunities for our student athletes in every way possible. To accomplish these two goals, we have a couple of action steps that we're excited about. The first is Blitz 282, where in the months of August and September, members of the AIA team will traverse the state, visiting all 282 AIA member high schools to see the great things that are happening on your campus, to hear about the great athletic stories that you have, and to see your outstanding facilities. The second piece we're excited about is rolling out AIA passes from a digital perspective. Starting this year, every AIA pass will be on your phone. It will be digitally accessible and easier for your schools to navigate. We rolled this process out last year through a pilot in both rural and metro schools, small and large, and we're excited about the results. And this year we look forward to all schools having the opportunity to use AIA digital passes for the first time. And as we continue to look for ways to elevate opportunities for our athletes, it's important that we keep student safety at the forefront of our conversation. To that end, we are excited about a new initiative that we've partnered with the Arizona Risk Retention Trust to raise awareness of hazing and the state statute related to hazing and hazing responsibilities. We look forward to that rolling out in the next couple of weeks. And for the first time ever, we are excited to announce that those who request an AIA Media Pass will be required to undergo a background check. This will add one more layer of security to those who access our students for the purposes of interviews and celebrations in various media capacities. These are just a few of the great things that we have in store for you as this upcoming school year gets started. We look forward to meeting your needs and want to remind you that we are here to help with anything that you may need. We wish you the absolute best this school year, and remember, if we can help, please let us know. Have a great school year.